So I took a trade today, risking only $150. I did a put on Coinbase with a strike price of 177.50 with the expiration at March 14th, which is this Friday. I'm going to give y'all some gems today on my trading method that's been working for me with the market and how it is, and basically just the rules that I basically trade by on a day-to-day basis. So I did show my February trades in a previous video. I did 18 trades, won 13 out of the 18. It's a 72% win rate. It's pretty good. I ended up putting in $425 in that month and turned it into $1240.65 by the end of the month. Pretty good. My win rate could have actually been higher. I just was not disciplined in some of the trades that I lost, and that's honestly the difference between you winning and losing a trade. So into my trade today, I could talk about this chart for a very long time, but I'm going to just tell you, so those white lines with the clocks on them, those are my support and resistance zones for Coinbase, and the clocks are alarms. So anytime that the stock passes one of those points, I get a notification, so I know exactly where it's moving, so I do not have to look at my phone 24/7 to just track the trade. Now, I have multiple strategies of trading, and I think the most important thing is to know when to use the strategy that you're going to use when trading. Right now, the market is so choppy because Mr. Trump don't know what the fuck he doing, and he brings shit up, he brings shit down. So if you're swing trading and you're holding trades, you're going to get killed right now. So right now, the strategy is to sniper your entry, get in, get your money, get out. So on average, within the past month, my trades have been probably about 30 minutes each on average. This one, you can see it's a little bit longer, but that's because it was trending for a little while. So I let it roll as long as it can. As soon as I see a candle I don't like, I'm out. So rule number one for me, do not trade within the first 15 minutes of the market opening. That is when everybody gets trapped in a position. If you don't know what you're doing and you see Coinbase shoot up $5, $6 within the first 5 minutes of the market, it's a trap. If you see it shoot down within the first 5 minutes of the market, it's a trap. The last two trades that I lost is because I got super anxious because it was moving so strong in a direction, and I was just sure that it was going there. I felt like I was missing out. I entered the trades in like 8:40, and I should have waited 5 to 10 minutes, and I got trapped. So do that shit at your own discretion, but Big Voss telling you, do not trade within the first 15 minutes. And if you're feeling anxious to enter a trade, slap yourself and walk away for 5 minutes. You'll thank me later. All right, though. So I got a little sidetrack, but they're mild gems right there, though. So anyway, though, as I'm day trading, which I don't normally day trade, as I'm day trading, I'm looking at the 1, 3 minute, and 5 minute charts. What I'm looking for is within that first 15 minutes, it's a whole bunch of jazz. You don't even want to pay attention to it. Right after that, though, once it hit about 8:45 or get close to 8:45, I'm looking to see where are the engulfing candles. So I'm looking for if it's a red candle and then a green candle follows it, and that green candle basically swallows that whole red candle that was before it. That's an engulfing bullish candle. If it's a green candle and then it's a red candle after that, and that red candle swallows, get your mind out the gutter, swallows that red candle or that green candle, that's an engulfing bullish candle. And so when I say swallow, I ain't talking TDJs. When I say swallows, I mean that candle before it was smaller and the candle after it completely covers it. So as you can see, soon as the market opened at 8:30, that vertical line, that first candle was a green bullish candle, and it went up to 198.77, which was the resistance zone that I marked in the pre-market before the market opened. So once it hit that and it bounced down, I was pretty sure it was going to be another bearish day. Coinbase was going to continue going down. I just waited for more confirmation. There was a red candle after, followed by a strong red candle after that. Once that candle closed, I went ahead and I entered my trade. And I put my stop loss basically right at the end of that candle, and it never got back to that. Now, in regards to my actual trade, I entered in on the candle where the red is meeting the green zone. That where that's meeting at, that's my entry point. The end of the red zone or the top of the red zone at 194, that is my stop loss basically. It never got back to that. Soon as I entered in, because I did really sniper this shit, I was already up soon as I entered in. So it did retest the resistance zone and then it rejected. Ideally, you want to enter in after it rejects a zone that it is retested. So some might say that I actually entered in a little too early, but I seen enough for me to go ahead and enter that trade at a point where I was comfortable at. And as you can see, it continued to go down, and then we have a reverse hammer candle, which is that red candle that has that long bottom wick. At that point, once I seen that, I knew that there was going to be a short-term reversal, so I went ahead and took my money and got out. And of course, as soon as I entered the trade, I put it in my Discord and let everybody know. But if you want to follow that, you can follow that if you're in the Discord. If not, that's fine. Do your own thing. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a nigga making money. But as you can see, I put that trade in my Discord at 8:49 when I entered. Less than an hour, I had already made over 100%. So that means I put 150 in and I made over 150 within less than an hour. Why you not trading?